Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 10th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we did break this high of wave 4, which tells me that this is definitely over, that we are likely in a crescent to this whole move down. Now, we are sitting at the 38%, and maybe this is going to reject structure and push down from here, but I definitely would want to see a break of structure on the sort of time frames to believe that it's going down in a big way because it definitely could, now that we have the breaker structure, push up to any one of these higher Fibonacci levels and still be a correction to this last move down. So anyways, taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. Now we could get a breaker structure down on this time frame, but that only tells us that the wave from here to here would be over. And we don't even have that yet. I mean, it definitely could just keep on going up from here. But if it does break down, I would throw my Fibonacci retracement out here and I would observe to see if it made a pulse down like this. If it makes impulsive down like that, then we definitely do have a reversal on the higher time frames. If it breaks structure but then starts turning into a very overlapping pattern like this, then more than likely we're looking at a pullback to this last wave up, and more than likely it will turn at a fib level and continue the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.